Guys, this is Sam Baker and welcome to my channel. And today this is February the 12th 2020, and this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon here in the UK, and this is Wednesday. And today, as you can see, we have some shopping here. That we did some shopping today in Asda. So I'm just gonna do a quick haul, and we have a bit of bargains today actually. So I'm going to show you some, so you have a rough idea what you can get in Asda and what are the reduced price and how much are they really like. The Asda price, the Smart Asda price, and they're really good. If you're like looking for a bargain, this is the best way to go. And yeah, so I'm hoping you're having a good day, because here in the UK it's been very sunny, although it's really cold, but still it's good. You know, we can't complain. But anyway, so yeah, we're going to start the haul. So I'll put you here. So I hope you had your lunch already, because I haven't had. I had a busy day today, guys, and yeah, so I'm just home now. So I'm just gonna do a quick haul so you have an idea what you can buy in Asda. By the way, I have here rice pudding, and this is Asda Smart Price, as you can see in there. If it's Asda Smart Price, they're really cheap. And this is only 20 pence, this one, for one. So I bought two, actually, of this one. So, see, they're both Asda Smart Price, guys. They're only 20 pence, both of them. 20p and 20p, so you've got 40p. But you can get other brands, but because we tried this one before, and for 20 pence, they're just the same as the one we branded, to be honest. So, yeah, so if you see Asda Smart Price, give it a try, and you'll see it's just the same. It's just similar. So, yeah, so that's 20p. We bought as well custard. You see there. And this is 25 pence as well. And you can see there Asda Smart Price. And like what I said, there are other brands, but if you see the Smart Price, try them. Maybe you're thinking, oh, maybe it will be shit because it's cheap. But no, honestly, we've been trying the Asda Smart Price. They're really cheap, and they're just the same as the branded one. It's Asda. We have here as well, if you can see, Asda baked beans, that one there. And this is only as well 35 pence. You see? They're really good as well. And we have here, you see again, Asda mackerel. And this is in tomato sauce. And this is only 57 pence. This one. And you can get them as well in sunflower oil. Or you can get them in, I think, chili sauce or something like that. Sweetened chili sauce. But I've got the tomato sauce this time. And like what I said, Asda is really good brand. We bought as well here, which is the British beef mince, and this is in 500 grams, you can see. And this is used by 17th of February, so I still have 5 days because this is only the 12th. And this is only £1.59 as well, and this is 500 grams. That one. And we bought as well stir fry veg mix. This one, we love our stir fry, and this is only, hang on, I've got the receipt here somewhere. I'll get the receipt, guys. This one, hang on, where is it? Vegetables, 99 pence, guys. And this is in, how many grams? This is in 500 grams. So we usually make 2 cookings of stir fry in this bag. We have here as well marshmallows. They're nice as well. And this is in 200 grams. And marshmallows is only where is it? Mayonnaise, sugar, cereal, sweets, 85 pence, guys. Sorry, I've got a long list, so 85 pence for that. We have here as well a kilo of chicken, and this is chicken fillet, and these are all chicken breast. And like what you can see again, is Asda Smart Price in there, and they're just the same as the branded one. So why don't you try the Asda Smart Price? And they're really good. And that one cost me £3.50 for 1 kilo. So it's really good. And we bought as well 2 of this one, which is our chocolate drink. And this is in 400 grams each. 400 grams, 400 grams. And you can see again, it's Asda Smart Price in there. And they're only 90 pence, by the way. 90 pence each. 90 pence. I bought 2 because I'm gonna make a chocolate cake. And then I'm gonna make this one. I'm gonna use it for a chocolate drink. And they're really good, guys. So you can see that. If you haven't seen my vlog about chocolate cake, you can see I've only used this one. Honestly, they're really good. And we bought as well this one, which is red skin peanuts. This one is in 200 grams. You can see it's Asda there again. And that one, nuts, 80 pence, guys. 80 pence for 200 grams. And they're really nice and healthy. That one, oh, we've got this one, Ding Dong. And this is a product from the Philippines. Again, it's from the world section. And this is in 100 grams. And this is only 75p. There you go. Yeah, if you're like interested with like foods around the world, there's a section in Asda where you can go. And they have like the Chinese, the Korean, the Japanese, Indian, Polish, and everything. You can go in that section and you can find many bits and bobs if you're looking and you're after for food. And like I said, this is a Filipino. There's a section for Filipinos as well, Filipino food and that. So this is one of them, and they're really good. And this is a mixed nuts, by the way, guys, and they're very healthy. And they're really good. Good for snacking. I recommend this one. And this one as well. We've got the Demerara sugar. And this is in 500 grams. And they're only... This Demerara is not expensive. 79 pence, guys. And they're really good. You can put them in your coffee or your tea or for your baking. They're really good. This one. And we bought, this is new actually. We haven't tried this one, so we bought it today just to try it. And this is Crush. And this is only milkshake. £1. This is an offer today actually, guys. It says in here, makes 29 milkshakes, Crush. Limited edition cookies and cream milkshake mix. This is sugar-free, by the way, guys. And all you have to do is add this one for 25 mils. And then 175 of milk, 175 mils of milk. And then you've got your milkshake. All the directions is there in the back as well. And all the nutritional information is down there as well. So if you're like conscious with what you're eating, you can see in there. If you've got any allergies, you can see it in there as well. And like I said, they've got different Crush. They've got chocolate, they've got raspberry, and they've got this one, which is the cookies and cream. And this is the first time I'm gonna try this, so I'll let you know how I get on with this. But yeah, they're on rollback at the moment, so they're £1 for now. I don't know how much they are really, if they're like in the normal price, but yeah, for £1 for 740 mils, and you can make 29 milkshakes with this one, so why not? And whoever likes milkshakes, this is really good, so we'll try that one. We have here as well Asda Smart Price. You see that one, this is Weet-Bix, but it's called Weet-Bix because obviously they're not going to use Weetabix because that's a brand. And so they use Weet-Bix. But this is, as you can see as well, is a Asda Smart Price. And this one is 432 grams. So you'll get 24 Weetabix in it. I keep on saying Weetabix because we call it Weetabix, but it's a brand. But this one is a Weet-Bix. And I'm telling you, they're just the same as the Weetabix or whatever brand you're buying. Honestly, they're just the same. That's just, and this is even more cheaper because this one, it only cost me cereal 74 pence, guys. See, and you've got 74 pence for 24 pieces of Weetabix. So if you're a Weetabix lover, try the Asda Smart Price, and I guarantee you, you'll eat this one just the same as what the branded Weetabix is. And it is really even cheaper. So yeah, try that one. And we have here as well, this one is in promo as well. This is on budget today. Sorry, what do you call that? They're actually in a rollback today. This is only £1. This is an Asda Light Mayonnaise, free range eggs they're using. This is an 800 mils. There you go, guys. And this is only £1. I don't know how much is it if it's not rollback. But yeah, so that's a good buy. 100. £1 for 800 mils. So you can use this in your salads or, you know, that's really good. We have here as well milk. And this is our milk. And this only cost us £1.48, guys, for this big milk. Because we use a lot of milk. And this is semi-skim milk. So this is good milk. And we have here, this is a good buy actually. I better look how much is that. This one, cereal, oh, 150. This one, guys, this one is actually, if you can see, this is a Kellogg's cornflakes. And this one is big, and this is 1 kilo, right? We found this into the reduced section, and this one is actually taped at the top, but if you open it, look, it's still sealed. So basically the only problem with it is just the top. It was open, but they put plaster, and then they put it into the reduced, wherein you can see here at the bottom, if you can see, it was normally £3, and we get it today for £1.50. So that's really a good buy. And this is 1 kilo cornflakes. Plus this is Kellogg's. It's really a good brand. And for £1.50, it's really a good buy. So we grab it. So if you're looking for like good sale, go to the reduced ones. And if you see the box like that one, if they tape it, you know, you can check. Normally they're still good. So it's just the box. Sometimes it's just a bit of tear, or you know what I mean. But yeah, but it doesn't make any difference because it's still sealed though. And this is in 1 kilo. So it saves us £1.50. And we eat a lot of cereal. So this is really a good buy, guys. So yeah. So I recommend if you're looking after sale, go to the reduced ones. And like what I said, some of them, they're just a bit of problem with the box or the plastic. But otherwise, there's no problem what's inside. So yes, it's a good buy, that one. And we bought as well eggs today. And this is 15 eggs for £1, 15 pence. This one. And we use a lot of eggs, as you notice in my other haul, because we use a lot of eggs with baking and cooking and everything. And this is really a good egg. Good eggs. Sorry, 15 eggs for £1.15. So that's really good. And like I said, if you're looking for bargain and you're thinking, you know, I'm not going to get the Smart Price because I think they're shit, you know, because they're cheaper. I'll rather stick with my brand. Honestly, guys, before we're the same. We always like, no, we'll just get the branded one, you know. Like, let's say with cereal. We'll go for the Kellogg's or we get the Weetabix. But once we try the Smart Price, honestly, you'll not see the difference. It's just the same, you know what I mean? And plus, you know, you're saving a lot of money as well. So, and if you're like in the budget like ourselves, it'll be good to give it a try. And then if you're not happy, you can still, you know, by all means, you can still buy whatever brand that you want. But there's no harm in trying, guys, you know. I'm here to give you an idea what you can buy for Smart Price in Asda. And at the same time giving you an idea how much you can save, you know what I mean? So with all of this shopping, I spent only £21 and I've got everything here. So yeah, so I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and share. And if you have any question or anything you want to know, put it in the comment down below and I'll try to answer them. So I hope you have a good day and enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll see you again for my next one. I'll see you again for my next one. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.